In this video, we are going to install a 2-inch lift kit on a Honda Pilot with sway bar links made by Truxxx. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. What you get inside the box is a 4-page detailed instruction guide, 2 front spacers 2 inches, 2 rear spacers 1.75 inch, 2 sway bar links, and a few bolts, all made with high quality metal. They weigh a total of about 10 pounds. Also included are a couple of Truxxx stickers. Before we move on, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. First, remove brake line. Next, remove that 2, one there, one here, 19. Sensor, size 10. Pop that out. Push it in. There. And then. There you go. Perfect. And then the other side? It looks so easy. There you go. Yeah, 19. What the fuck? Dude, I'm weak or what? Nope. 19. Pitman Arm Puller. Go for it.
I got it. I got it. Again.
Nah, heat. If you want to try this, try pushing it, turn it while he records. And I'll hold this because this one's moving.
Alright, remove that. Next, the strut.
Can I switch that?
We got 3 bolts.
What's that button?
Let me know when your last one so I can hold the strut.
Okay. Carry that up.
Sorry, my phone battery died. So you want to reverse everything and torque everything back to spec. That's the 2-inch spacer lift kit for the front of the 2019 Honda Pilot by Truxxx. Watch part 2 while I show you how I install the rear, which is way easier than the front. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.